Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.6, Problem 4. This is Section 4.6, Problem 4. It says 30 is what percent of 50? Now, from this section, we want to solve our percent problems as a proportion. So we want to set this up as a sentence where it would be read, A is P percent of B. And that's really what we have. A is P percent, what percent of B? The B is the 50. So once we have that, you're going to use the equation A equals P over 100, and then you put a B over the A. So it starts with the A and it just goes in a circle. A is P, percent is always the 100, of B. Now as I fill that in, the A is 30. Will be equals P percent. So the percent is unknown, so it's P over 100 of B. So the 30 has a B under it. That's our equation. We have, we know the B is 50. I was going to say we have one unknown. We have two, really. We can only have one. The P is the unknown. So now to solve an equation, we have two fractions equal to each other. You cross multiply. So 50 times P will be 50P. That's equal to 30 times 100. Now to simplify the right-hand side, I'll do that multiplication. I'll have 50P equals 30 times 100. You're multiplying some very large numbers there, but where a big part of the numbers are zeros, just ignore the zeros for a minute. It's really just 3 times 1, which is super easy. 3 times 1 is 3. Now, how many zeros did we ignore? 1, 2, 3. Put the 3 zeros back. 3 with 3 zeros after is 3,000. Piece of cake. No calculator needed. Now, solve for P. I want P equals, not 50P equals, so we'll divide away the 50. So I'll have P equals 3,000 over 50. Now, since they both end in a 0, we can essentially divide 10 into both the numerator and denominator evenly. So I have 300 over 5. Now, again, you can divide that out the long way. 300 over 5, I don't know, that's a big number. But I know 30 over 5 is 6. 5 divides into 30 6 times. So briefly ignore that 0. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Put the 0 back. It's 60. So P is 60. That's the answer. 30 is what percent of 50? 30 is 60% of 50. And as with some of the other problems, notice the 30 over 50. I could have reduced that and made it 3 over 5. I'd get the same answer in the end. So you can reduce if you want to, but you don't have to.